Hello and welcome back. This is the Jarvis Floyd, the online entrepreneur. We are just rocking and rolling right now. In our last training, we went over Shopify Essentials. We learned how to go on our back end of our website into the custom theme section, and we learned how to change colors. We learned how to make our store look amazing and beautiful by changing up certain things, by editing images, and we also went into our settings area and we updated our shipping and our payment section so we can get paid, and we're just moving along. You should feel a lot more comfortable with your Shopify store at this point. It's up. Right now we're going to move over into the Facebook basics part where you actually set up your Facebook business / fan page so that you can drive traffic from your Facebook page to your website. And if you think about it, it's everybody's on Facebook. You know, my mom's on there. Your mom's probably on there. Millions and millions of people are on Facebook every day, so it's only smart to use Facebook to drive traffic to your website. It's one of the best ways, and I also use SEO and different other social media platforms, as well as some different paid ads. But Facebook is one of the best ways to get started and make some money, with your e-commerce store. So I'm going to show you how to do that now, and I want to make sure you understand that this is a basic course to get you to go from having your trial to making your first sale. So this is a very basic Facebook advertising course. We will go into detail in some of our future courses that will break down each Facebook, each dynamic to different things on Facebook and show you exactly how that works. But for now, let's just dive right in. And the first thing we're going to do in this training is we're going to learn how to set up our Facebook fan page / business page. And this is where we're going to set up our ads and drive traffic from to our website, okay? And I'll show you how that works. But basically, we're able to go out and basically target people that we think will be best suited to see our ads. And so that's why Facebook is so powerful. It's powerful because we actually can target people based on interests and things they like, and so we can get our ads in front of people that actually are going to be interested in what we're selling. So it's amazing. So after we set up our Facebook fan page / business page, we're going to learn how to set up our ads account, and then we're also going to learn how to create our business manager account, okay? So and I want to point out the reason why you want to set up a Facebook business manager account is because Facebook policy has it so in order to run ads on Facebook, they want you to have this business manager account and not actually run ads using your personal account. If you do it using your personal account, you can get your account shut down, and you don't want to have to go back and redo things. And if you remember in the very start of this, I told you that I believe in setting up the foundation firm in the right way in the beginning. That way you're not scrambling later on to fix things. So if you do this the right way, and I want you all to, save these links, and I'm going to have these in the resource section, and I'll show you how to utilize these in just a moment. So let's go ahead and let's dive right into this training. I'm going to show you my actual page right here. So this is my actual Facebook business page that I created for flawless selection. I want to show you this. This is the finished product. I'm going to show you how to get to this in just a moment. So keep this in mind. This is how your page is going to look in the beginning. And so if you take that link that was on the other page, that was facebook.com/pages/create, and I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab and put that up here and click enter. Alright, and so when you come to this page, it's going to look like this. And so when you're first getting started with your first website, or even any website pretty much, you're going to want to select branded product, your own local business in your area. Of course, you're going to select this. Those are pretty much the only two you're going to want to select for selling products. So after you click on that, you're going to come down here where it says choose a category and select on website. So I click website there, okay? And then next you're going to want to type in your website name or your business name. So in our case, it's Flawless Selection. And sometimes you can put official in front or behind. This is just me doing this for a test page for you. I've already created this page that you've already saw, so I'm doing this because I want to actually take you through the steps on how to set this up and show you some key important things here. So the first part is kind of self-explanatory. If you don't understand this, you're just telling people about your business. Try to be unique, be different. Don't make it boring. Try to figure out something interesting to say about your business so you stand out. Okay, put that there, and it shouldn't be real long. Just by the way, so don't make it it's really long or anything. Make it just short and sweet. You also can put your website right here. So you'll put your website here. And once you do that, you'll select Save Info. I'm going to skip it. Now this part here, this is where you upload your profile picture. This basically is going to be your logo. And so when you're uploading this from your computer, keep in mind that before you do, the perfect size for this is going to be 250 by 250 pixels. So if you don't have your logo already in that format, you can use PicMonkey, which I've showed you on previous videos how to use PicMonkey to scale your image down, and then you'll just upload it and put it in there and then hit Save Photo. On this part here, just real quick, this is how you can add this page to your favorites. So when you're on your Facebook personal profile, if you select Home, it'll be on the far left hand side. You'll have your page there so you can easily access it. Okay, so you can hit Add the Favorites for that part. And this part here is probably the most important part out of all the different sections on this Create Our Business page area. So what you're doing here is this basically is where you're going to do your targeting. Now, since you're new to this, you may not know how you want to target right now. You may not know your different age range that you want. If someone types in something on Facebook, they're going to be able to find you. And this just gives Facebook an idea of who you're targeting right now up front. Okay, so if you don't know, leave it. But if you do know, like for example, we know we're probably going to want to put the United States in here. Okay, I recommend starting with one country. Don't put 3 or 4, put one. And as you grow, you can add others later. And I'll break that down more about why we do everything in a different training. Okay, but just put one country for now. On age, I have flawless selection, so I know that I'm going to be selling upscale products. Ladies that are 18, 19, 20 aren't going to really be my target. So I'm going to go 25 to 59. And I'm targeting mostly women. Pretty much all women on this website. For interest right here, you can leave this blank, but if you know you're targeting women, I can put women's fashion in here and different, women's clothing. And that's just amazing. If you think about that, you can, if you sell, like for example, some type of energy drink, you can come down here to food and drink and then target people that have liked energy drinks. On your page. So that's what makes Facebook so powerful, is we can target people and go out and actually find and put our ad in their face as well. So it's amazing. Languages, I always put English, of course. And if you're in a different country or something, just kind of tailor that to wherever you're at. English, all. Okay. Once you've had that selected, and remember, if you don't know it, just leave it the way it is. You can come back later, but it's good to pick a country at least. Okay. And if you're done with that, you're going to click Get Save. From there, it's going to actually take you to this page over here, to your finished page. So what you're going to have to do, if you look at this, my page over here, you'll see it has this nice little cover in here. In order to get that cover, you just want to click Add Cover. I used the same cover that was on my website that we created earlier together using PicMonkey. So you can do that. And you also can add a phone number on here or email and make this look better. It will always be making this different, changing. Like for Christmas, we'll add some type of Christmas tree. Thanksgiving, we'll add like a turkey. So we'll be doing different things to always stay up to date with the trends, okay? So the first thing we're going to do now, that we have our page up, and I've done a variety of tests on here just because I was testing different things, but to show you how this works so you can see, we're going to basically create an ad later, and we're going to put the ad in here. And we got to make sure that we select, make sure what we're posting is flawless selection and not posting as our personal, like our personal profile. We don't want to post as who we are. We want to make sure we post on our business name, and then we hit publish. Once we do that, you see right here, you can actually boost this post, which means advertise this post straight from here. I never do this anymore. because you can't target nowhere near as good by just boosting posts and track things. So you want to do things the right way. The next thing to do now is going to be to come to this, grab this link right here, and I'll put this somewhere for you, like I said, in the resource section. And I already have that link, but you want to get that link. And real quick, I want to show you something else. If you click this little arrow right here and you come down, you'll see where it says create ads and manage ads. You can start like this and do it that way, but before you do that, just grab that link, put that link up here. It's already there for you, so you'll just put that in and hit enter. So I want to show you that it works. And when you're here, this will give you all the information you need, because the Facebook's a very in-depth, deep platform. I want you to kind of read over some things for yourself to see what you're doing here. It's not that long. It'll take you no more than 5 to 10 minutes to set up your Facebook Business Manager account, and it walks you through step by step. Any questions, email me and I'll help you with it. But I've had my account for a while now, so I haven't done it from the start to finish in terms of setting up the ads account. But it's the same. It's all right here, and it's very, very easy. So you have your business page now. So get the ad accounts going in the Business Manager account. And once you have your Business Manager account, when you log into Facebook, on the back end, you're gonna have like this little back panel here, and you're gonna scroll down, and you're gonna be able to manage your Facebook page that we just created from back here, as well as your ads account. So I'm gonna click on my ads account now, and I want to show you a few things inside of here. So once that loads up, once you get your campaigns going back here and you get your ads up, it's going to have all types of information back here, helpful tips and all kinds of things back here. But for now, you go up here, you click on this Ads Manager tab, and you click on All Tools. And you won't have all these different tabs in here when you first set up your account for the first time, but you'll have most of these. But I want you to come over here where it says Pixels. This is what we track. How we track people that come to our site. We want to make sure we know who's coming, how long they're there, and where they're coming from, and all that kind of stuff. So this is very important. But I want you to be aware of where this is at, right where this is at. It says your Pixel ID. We're going to need this code to place on our website on Shopify, so we can track things. So make note of this. I'll probably come back to this and show you again, but I want to give you a heads up on that now, because you can copy that and paste it and save it if you can. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up this training here. I just wanted you to basically set up your Facebook business page, get your ad account created, your Business Manager account, so you're ready to rock and roll now. Okay, and create your ads and start driving traffic to your store, and then ultimately getting some sales. All right, so once again, you're on your way to making money online. If you have any questions, email me, support@thedriversfloyd.com, or message me on Facebook, and we will see you in the next training, where we're one step closer to launching our ads and making our first sale. So talk to you soon. Take care.